Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. And as you can see from the title, today the video is gonna be about mental health issues. I started to do such videos because I suffered from anxiety like 3 years back, and it was very crazy one. So I realized at that time कि नेपालमा चाहिँ it's very underrated. You have no idea how underrated Nepalमा छ your mental health issues भनेर. So I really wanted to talk about it, and especially your timeमा I think people should really know about few things about it. Especially हामी quarantineमा बस्दाखेरि चाहिँ गाह्रो हुन्छ, especially people suffering from anxiety and mental issues अरू पनि. त्यो मात्र होइन, जसलाई पनि भएको छैन उहाँहरूलाई पनि हुन्छ. And what I really want to say is, please do not compare yourself कि उसले चाहिँ यस्तो गरिरहेछ क्वारेन्टिनमा पकाइरहेछ अब के गरिरहेछ होइन. I'm doing nothing. Don't even think that. The greatest thing that you're doing right now is being strong. We will get through this. We will. The earth at least needed a break, I guess, because we human beings have been crazy over earth, over nature. So yeah, so let's just keep that aside and talk about it. The first thing is anxiety and depression are two different things. So please do not assume that it's the same thing. The first thing is anxiety, if you can't control it, you might go into depression. That's the kura चाहिँ हो. And the second kura is कहिले कसलाई anxiety हुन्छ, you never know. There'll be things behind back of your head stuck or in your heart, and that comes up. And मेरो चाहिँ कस्तो थियो भने I had suffered from anxiety and then panic attacks as well, and it's crazy, especially public places मा जाँदाखेरि दो हुन्छ नि कहिलेकाहीँ मलाई स्टिल हुन्छ त्यस्तो panic attack होला जस्तो breathing problem and all, but it's all the mind. You have to control your mind. I still remember before lockdown a few days ago, lockdown भन्दा अगाडिको few days ago होइन, I was at Bhatbhatini, मैले shopping गरेँ, and त्यसपछि I was just ready to pay and त्यसपछि started to get panic attack and I had no idea what to do. And त्यो बेला कस्तो हुन्छ भने your whole body अर्कै feeling हुन्छ अनि त्यो चिक्क परेको आवाजहरू हुन्छ नि त्योहरू हुन्छ अनि you just feel you're lost over there. त्यो मुभीहरूतिर देखाउँछ नि like you're there but then the whole thing is like going something भनेर हो त्यस्तो हुन्छ. That time quickly paid बाहिर गएँ एकछिन सास फेरेँ, and what I realized is also about how you control your mind. And whatever you feed your mind, it happens. So you should not. I am a person who overthink a lot. And I'm always there. Like I overthink. That's one of the main problem. And the other thing is, the regular anxiety. If you have family issues, friends issues, relationship issues, especially if you are or if you went through a toxic relationship, then you have such things as well. अनि त्यो मात्रै होइन अरू कुराहरूले पनि हुन्छ, work pressure and everything, and you just can't control it. It's not in your hand. अनि things that you really should know about these things, or कसैलाई suffer भएको छ, and if you know, then you should know this. The first thing is we can't open up to people much because we are afraid that people will judge. And we भनेबित्तिकै I'm talking about the people who have mental issues. अनि हुन्छ नि साइकेट्रिस्टको जाने बित्तिकै पागल कि त दिमाग फुस्क्यो भन्ने नेपालीको चलन छ. Secondly, कति फ्यामिलीमा, luckily my parents supported me, my family supported me. I went through psychiatrist and I could openly say it. I don't have any to guilt that I went through त्यहाँ भनेर like I think you should pay a visit over there. You have to. अनि कति कुरा चाहिँ हामी ओपन अप हुन सक्दैन. So there should be someone, at least you have to share your things, because कति कुरा मनमा राख्दा त्यसले नै खाइदिन्छ. And secondly चाहिँ especially youngstersहरू त एकदमै प्रेसर छ अहिलेको लागि होइन. Mostly we follow people, there are things people do and you want to be like them, you want to have lifestyle like them, त्यो हुन्छ. And you know what, right now literally I hardly have put on any makeup. I have eyeliner and I have my lipstick, and this is just a tiny bit of foundation to just cover my pimple, though मेरो भएको छैन. And this is the real me, and I'm happy to come like this because I feel myself. I don't want to hide myself under like something, and you should be proud of yourself, and the most thing is you should love yourself. So apart from that, we can't open up. more openly भन्छु mental illness को बारेमा. When I say to people, people get surprised because how strong are you, or you have got to talk about it. How can you do that? And I don't know, because I want to make sure that people know about this thing, because we can see physical pain, but we cannot see the mental pain that people go through. And I've been through a lot. Like I'm like, some of my friends tell me that I am a very strong girl, and if they were at my place, they wouldn't have been able to handle this thing. It takes guts to come like this. We can't open up because we feel people judge us, and I believe that too. When जब मलाई panic attack हुन्थ्यो, कतिजनाले वरिपरिको यस्तो मान्छेहरूले चाहिँ हैन के भन्थ्यो भने just stop it, just don't do that. And that wasn't my problem. Like, it just happened to मैले आफै क्रिएट गरेको हैन. And people judge you a lot. अनि मैले Instagram मा पनि राखेको थिएँ, if there is anyone who wants to talk about anxieties and all. And कतिले चाहिँ के भनेको थियो भने, I agree that as well. We feel that when we share our problems, or about this thing we are going on, we feel that people will have sympathy upon us, or like feel sorry for us. Please don't be. We're just trying to share our feelings. Don't feel sad for ourselves, because त्यहाँ जब त्यो स्टेटमा हुन्छ नि, you're just not even the sad bunny, you have no idea what one is going through. So please don't judge, because people judge easily, and that hurts. And if someone is opening up to you, please be grateful that you're there to listen to them, because it takes lots of gut to come in front and talk about this thing. So if you have someone who's been sharing things to you, please be with them. I really suggest that. कतिजनाले why suicide cases are coming, किनभने family ले बुझ्दैन, friends ले बुझ्दैन. And the main thing is when you have suicidal thinking or thoughts and all, at that time you don't even feel that you have one, because at that time you hardly think about anything else. And I saw somewhere that it takes 4 seconds to kill yourself. If your 4 seconds, if you do something, you'll die, or you'll at least like suicide could do one attempt. But if that 4 second crosses your mind, this person say you'll have other thoughts coming, and you can stop it. And so, firstly, we feel that we are judged. So please do not judge. Please do not feel sorry for ourselves that we're going through such thing. Just be supportive. And if you have someone who is sharing things, please be with them. Please, I suggest you. So if there are things, because I might be a stranger to you, or I am bani hola katijana ko lai, but you can always connect with me on Instagram. Talapati ma link rakidinchu, and you can just open up and tell things, because kati kura afno manchele bhannu sakdaina. You can share to me, because it'll be a secret, like I won't even know, so like any of your people, so it'll be good as well. And if you are my friend, or I know, then I'll be very grateful to help you as well. And the second thing, meditate. कति त्यो ताकत चाहिन्छ meditate गर्न पनि, because literally केही नसम्झेर you have to meditate. It takes courage. And I started to do theta healing, which really helped me. And I've done theta healing to other people as well. And if you want to know more about it as well, I'm always there to talk about. So yeah, I just want to talk about this thing, because I don't want to make the video long. And if there's any question, anything you want to say, please feel free. And please do share this video, because I want to reach people as much as I can. Please, I really telling you from the bottom of my heart, because people really need to see about it. And if you want to know more, then you can always DM me, and you can always share things to me, and I'll be there for you. So yeah, I'll be signing off now. I'll be catching you on my next video. And if there's any video that you want me to talk about, then please feel free. Alright, please stay safe and be strong. Bye-bye.